Winston's helping me build out one of these little tiny what would you call that? 2.5?
No, more like a 1.6, I think. That's the 2-inch right here.
All right. This is what it's starting to look like so far. And he prints all these out on his 3D printer.
This is for a 5-inch action camera goes in there.
Nice. Yeah, I'm surprised you didn't find anything for all of it. You could probably 3D print all your stuff, you know?
Mm-hmm. My wife got into the whole printing, and I was like, you know what? Let me use the 3D printer for my parts, you know?
Nice.
For my drone parts. I print them all.
Oh, yeah.
Yep.
I like that.
5-inch. It's a 04 Lite. I mean, 04 Pro, sorry.
Nice.
And it's coated. You can see it right there.
Haven't tried the coating in the snow yet?
Oh, yeah. I flew in the snow. In like heavy rain, too.
Nice.
But not with this one. I done it with a different one.
Now for the fine, delicate work. Soldering on these tiny boards. You want to tin your pads and your leads. So tiny. Then solder them together. We have a little problem with the computer reading the board.
Turn on Betaflight. Plug it in. It doesn't even light up.
No.
And it doesn't read it. I'm gonna plug in the same drone, the same board. You see it lights up.
Oh yeah, I see the lights in there. And it looks like that short shut down the USB port.
Oh.
Yeah, something, it's not getting power. Let's take a little break and let Winston fly his drone.
Once you get that one running, little 2-inch freestyle.
That one's pretty quick too.
Yeah. Wait a second, those props are no good.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, hold on a second.
No good.
Hold on a second, what's going on? Look at that. Yeah, that don't sound good.
You gotta tune it maybe?
Nah, it's the props.
Yeah, they sound weird.
Yeah. You see those, how weird they are? They're completely different. They like go down.
Oh, I never seen anything like that.
Yep, me either. This is the first time I tried.
You got your other set?
Yeah, hold on.
Good props.
Yeah, better props. Sounds different for sure. Yeah.
Oh yeah, much smoother. And he clips a branch.
2 and 8 unit. Oh.
It started going.
Sounded like something was like jammed up.
Yeah, I think it got wet. It say doo-doo-doo-doo-doo.
Uh-oh.
Oh. I think I fried it.
Oh no.
Heard something.
Should have let it dry.
Yeah. Oh, the voltage is very low. What the hell?
Probably because of water bridging it. Let it dry.
I'm looking to see if there was a... Yep. Not good.
He put it on his window defrost and drove home, so everything seems to be okay. Except he ran out of battery. She's done, boys. Close. That sound right? No, it doesn't. I plugged the video board into the control board wrong. Has to be all the way to the left when you plug it in. I got everything straightened out. It's gonna be a first test here. Probably gonna wreck it. Trying to figure out how to arm this thing. I don't think that's right. Two props are spinning backwards, so I had to switch the lead on each one of those. Any two leads, because it's a 3-phase brushless motor. Got them all blowing down now, boys. This thing's got a lot of power. I can't believe it. Testing them in beta flight. I rearranged the prop things. I hope that's still okay. Well, let's try a flight now. I guess I should try it in my hand first. Got a little bit of a vibration. Let's try it. Nope. I know Winston had the arm on aux 1 when you'd switch it to normal, but I use that mode a lot when I'm flying with my DJI drone, so I'm switching it to the right switch. So I'm setting aux 2 as arm, so when it's down it'll arm. Angle and horizon, that's full acro. Angle is here and horizon's there. I'm going to try it this way, and then when you're set up you hit save and it saves it. My settings worked. I just cannot fly. Still waiting on the right batteries. Whoa, I'm doing it. I'm doing it. Hey, I had it flying for a little while. Then, of course, one of my batteries flaked out, only showing 2 out of 3 cells. So I think we got everything set up right. Just waiting on the good batteries that'll fit, and we'll try it again.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on motoshes.com. Thanks for watching.